everyone, and welcome to another exciting and informative edition on Digital Arena, where we bring to you all the information in the digital age. My name is Gloria. Today, we're going to be talking about something very interesting. Yes, today we're going to be talking about 3D modeling and animation. Now, 3D modeling and animation is a very interesting digital skill for you to learn. Why? Because you will be able to create some of the things that you see that actually look like rocket science. Now, as a 3D animator, you will be able to create realistic 3D models, animated videos. You will be able to create realistic 3D characters for video games. The list is actually endless. Now, I know you may be wondering, what's the benefit of learning this digital skill? Relax, I'll tell you. As a 3D animator, you can be able to create realistic 3D characters for businesses and organizations to advertise their business. As a 3D animator, you can work remotely. Yes, you can be here in Nigeria and work for companies and businesses outside Nigeria. As a 3D animator, you can even freelance. The benefit list is endless, but the thing is, all of these benefits can be made possible only when you learn 3D animation the proper way. And that's why I'm here today to educate you on how to go about learning this digital skill. First off, if you're looking to learn 3D modeling and animation, wherever you're going to acquire this knowledge, make sure it's in a place where they're offering you practical hands-on training as the theory-based training. Try as much as possible to avoid theory-based lectures. Secondly, wherever you're going to acquire this knowledge, make sure it's in a place where they incorporate project-based learning to their teaching. You know, most digital skills are by far practical hands-on skills. So, secondly, wherever you're going to acquire this knowledge, make sure it's in a place where they incorporate project-based learning to their teaching processes. Because we're all humans, we learn better when we have projects to work on. Now, the thing about projects is they facilitate your learning processes. Thirdly, wherever you're going to acquire this knowledge, make sure it will not be a place where they have crowded classrooms. Try as much as possible to avoid crowded classrooms and crowded lectures. Now, my last point for today, and another thing you should look out for, is make sure you learn in a place where you can have your trainer's attention at all times. Now, the thing about learning in a less crowded classroom is you get to have your trainer's attention when you need it. Now, you know, on this episode of Digital Arena, I bring you good news. Interestingly, you can get all of these unmatched learning experiences when you register with us here at Technologies. For the past 10 years, these Maya Technologies have been equipping people like you with practical hands-on training on the relevant digital skills that are in high demand. Our trainings are practical hands-on. When you register with us here at Maya Technologies, we assign to you a personal trainer, and you will not learn in a crowded classroom. So you can have your trainer's attention at all times. We also have lots of projects for you to work on to help you understand better. So what are you waiting for? Why haven't you registered with Maya Technology yet? You know, the digital economy is actually here. Are you ready, or would you be left behind? The best way for you to be ready is to learn a digital skill today. And until I come your way next time, my name is Gloria.